What we got here is 4 different pans that I use. There's the classifier pan. You shovel your stuff into the classifier pan, put it on top of your pan, give it a shake. What you end up with is 3/8 inch classified material. That pan that you're looking at now is a $10 pan. It's cheap and nasty, but it does the trick. If you wanted to, you can go and spend a lot of money. You can spend about $30 and get a pan with a nice deep riffle. You're never ever going to lose anything out of that. And that's my favourite pan. It's small, easy to work with one hand. Never lost anything out of it. It's got some nice sharp riffles. It's it's a Garrett's gravity trap, if you can see that. And it cost me $22. Probably made a fair bit more than that with it. That's my favourite pan, but everybody's got their own favourite. Don't forget you need a classifier, otherwise you end up with rocks the size of that in your pan. You don't really need that. Rocks that size, if they've got gold in them, you should be able to find it with a detector. I've been out and got some material from out in the creek. I'm just going to show you how to pan it out. Don't need a lot of water, you just need a bit of water in there. Start out with some big swirls. What you want to do is organise it so that you swirl it like this. The gold will sink to the bottom. It gets smaller and smaller. Until you're starting to spill over the edge of the pan. Keep doing that until you're down to just the fines. You're going to find any nuggets are going to be spilling over. You want to watch what's going on with it. Once you've eliminated all the larger and material that's rubbish, you need to get down to this fine stuff. You just need a little bit of water in the pan. You can see some gold appearing there now. What you do is you get the pan and just give it a gentle swirl, and you'll find that the gold mostly deposits itself right up inside the lip, right up in this top corner, all the way around. And the idea is with the swirls is you're just going to uncover it. Starting to appear there now. Depending on the gold, some of it can wash back into the fines. You can see that there's gold up in that top lip there now. I don't know if you can see it, but just here there's a piece of fool's gold, and you can see that it behaves differently to gold. Gold will sit on the bottom, whereas the fool's gold and the mica tends to wash around with the black sand and the white sand. Gold though, there's a piece there, really doesn't move when you're doing gentle swirls. So I've got pieces there, a fair bit over here. I was a bit rough with the allegedly gentle swirls, that's why it's all over the place. Something interesting while I'm trying to get the gold away from the fines. There's a couple of little pieces of gold that started floating on the surface of the water because of the surface tension of the water. Those pieces are actually gold, and there you go, gold floats. It's a good example of how the gold gets stuck up in right in the edge of the rim. As you do your fine swirls, the fines move away and uncovers the gold. With a little bit of practice and a fair bit of patience, you can actually separate all the fines from all the gold. And the last step occurs where you get the sniffer bottle and suck it all up. The sniffer bottle's got this tube that goes halfway into the bottle. If you squeeze enough on the bottle, eventually the water will fill up and start coming out the sniffer bottle. And all it's just a matter of letting the sniffer bottle do its thing. Just double check to make sure you haven't got any in the tube once you're finished. Oh, I did too. Look at that. And that's it. Thank you.